How to get the swipe up feature on Instagram. Hi guys and welcome back in today's video. A lot of my friends keep asking me the same question, and this question is how can I get the swipe up on the Instagram story for my profile or of my page. And Instagram don't allow to everybody have the swipe up feature, but you need to have two things in place to be able to use the swipe up feature. First of all, the swipe up feature, it's a simple swipe up that you do on the story on Instagram, and this will send you to a link to a page or to a website if you sell something, or if you want to advertise any sort of service. You can put the link of your service or your website or your product, and then you tell people to swipe up and they go directly to the product. They don't need to go on your profile, click the link in bio and then go to the website. The first thing that you should have are 10k on your page, because if you are under 10k real followers, there is no way that you can have the swipe up feature. You can only have the swipe up creating an ad for Instagram stories that go swipe up, but for your page it's impossible. The second thing that you need in place is to have a business profile. So it's simple. If you have a page that it's more than 10k follower and you have also the page set up in the business profile, you will have in your story the feature with the little graph that you can put the link. Now I show you how it is on a page with more than 10k and also the business profile. I just took my phone and took a picture, and as you can see here above there is the link possibility. We click that and we add the URL. So here we can type the URL of our website or the application, and then once we have done everything we post and we go to the story and we write swipe up to see more or swipe up to buy, and then people will swipe up. With the business profile you can also see how many people swipe up, not the exact name of the people, but you can see the overall number of people that swipe up on your story. And I think this is really potential, because if you see how many people swipe up, you know how many people buy, and you know exactly your numbers. So this was a simple video on how to get the swipe up feature on Instagram, and it's pretty much impossible to have the swipe up without 10k followers and the business profile. I searched online but I didn't find nothing, and this is my answer to this question. I hope you find interesting the video and start today to get 10k, and then once you hit 10k on Instagram you can set up the business profile. If you want, in the description I have a link to a guide on how to grow your Instagram profile or your page. I used that, and my personal profile it's growing about 80 followers a week, depends on the week, on the time, and if I post more pictures, but it's really good, that guide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.